Adhesives Technology, also called ATC, brings you Miracle Bond, multi-purpose repair epoxy, proudly made in the USA. What can you do with Miracle Bond? Just about anything. Use Miracle Bond to fix trip hazards and sidewalks. Repair broken curbs. Fix cracks in stucco. Repair entryways to as good as new condition. You can even repair household items. It's also great for repairing rotted wood. For crack injection applications, Miracle Bond is perfect for capping cracks. It's also a great choice to use for attaching injection ports. Miracle Bond's non-sag, no-drip formula makes it extremely versatile. Here we're doing a vertical repair in a concrete wall. Miracle Bond stays exactly where you put it, even in vertical or overhead applications. And it's trowelable. Miracle Bond is stronger than concrete with a compressive strength of 8,000 psi, 2 to 3 times stronger than most concrete. Miracle Bond even bonds and cures underwater. After Miracle Bond is fully cured, it's sandable and paintable. Miracle Bond is fully cured in 2 hours or less, depending on the temperature. Prepping the cartridge before use is extremely important. First, insert the cartridge into ATC's heavy-duty dispensing tool. Remove the cap and end plugs. Dispense a small amount of material until both gray and white components are flowing. Attach the nozzle. Dispense a small bead of material until a consistent gray color is achieved with no streaks. Miracle Bond is also available in larger quart and gallon kits. To use, remove equal parts of the A and B components. Mix both components until a consistent gray color is achieved with no streaks. Use as needed. Miracle Bond has more uses than you can imagine. Fix stripped screw holes. Repair damaged walls. Fill holes. Repair foundation cracks. Fill voids around loose railings. Used for fiberglass repair in marine applications. Miracle Bond by Adhesives Technology. Once you try it, you'll want more.